Hello and welcome to Easy English with VIVA VOX. Want to improve your English in a fun and natural way? You're in the perfect place. Let's enjoy today's Sherlock Holmes adventure together.
Holmes started explaining. The dog attacks no one else. It only attacks the professor on special occasions. Very strange, Watson, very strange. Professor Prisbury is famous for his academic work. He's a widower with a daughter, Edith. He is a strong man, but a few months ago, his life changed. He got engaged to a younger woman, Alice. The family didn't like it because of the professor's age. One day, the professor left home without telling anyone. When he came back 2 weeks later, he looked tired. A letter from Prague showed that the professor had been there. After that, something changed. The professor became strange. His family felt that he was not the same person. He was still intelligent. His daughter tried to understand him, but it was impossible. Mr. Bennet explained that the professor brought a small wooden box from his trip. Mr. Bennet is the fiancé of Professor Prisbury's daughter, Edith, and his assistant. Mr. Bennet touched the box once, but the professor got very angry. Mr. Bennet kept a diary and wrote down the dates of strange things that happened. The professor's dog, Roy, attacked him on July 2nd, July 11th, and July 20th. After that, the dog was kept in the stables. 2 nights ago, Mr. Bennet woke up at 2 a.m. He heard a strange noise. He looked outside and saw the professor crawling down the hallway, moving on his hands and feet. He seemed normal at first, but then suddenly jumped up and ran away. Mr. Bennet couldn't understand what was happening. Last night, they heard the dog barking loudly. Edith saw the professor's face at her window on the 2nd floor. There was no ladder, but he was there. We need to see him. Let's go tomorrow to check on him. They planned to visit the professor the next day.
Time to check your detective skills. Are these sentences true or false? The professor's dog attacked many people. False. Professor Prisbury was a young man. False. The professor had a son. False. The professor became strange. True. The professor had 2 dogs. False. The professor was married. False. The professor traveled to Paris. False. The professor was tired when he came back. True. Mr. Bennet was the professor's assistant. True. Mr. Bennet kept a diary. True. Great job today. Hope you enjoyed the story. Like, subscribe and keep learning English with VIVA VOX. See you in the next episode.